Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my base on. So we're going to be adding to that, doing a Bop or Flop review on the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer. Now this bronzer is ginormous. Like, this pan is huge. It usually retails for $19. I got the shade Leader, but currently it is on sale for $14. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. This is 20 grams of product, which is 0.70 ounces. That's a lot of product considering the price. It has a cardboard packaging with a very large mirror on the inside, so I can see why this would be $19, and at $14 on sale, that is a steal. It comes in 10 shades. Like I said, I got the shade Leader. The shade range for this bronzer is actually pretty nice. This looked a lot darker online versus seeing it in person, so hopefully I grabbed the right shade, because I don't want to have another Makeup Revolution bronzer situation where I grabbed a shade that was too deep. So yeah, I already have my foundation and concealer on, and now would be the time when I'd add my bronzer. So I'm just gonna grab a brush and add that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the bronzer. You do have to, if you tap lightly in the pan, it does have some kickback. So do beware of that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I picked up the right shade. This is the perfect shade. And it's going on like butter. And this is how I normally apply my bronzer. Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me. And then I would normally go over it with my sponge. Zooming in, we're contour the nose. I've been recently trying out like using a little like brush to help blend out my bronzer on my nose, and so far it's been pretty helpful. I kind of feel like the sponge just like picks up too much product. Like normally with my ColourPop bronzer, I don't have a problem and it just picks up like just the right amount. Like same thing with the Bobbi Brown bronzer, but I feel like this Morphe bronzer just gets like picked up by my sponge and just carried away. So maybe that's a formula thing, I don't know. Maybe I can't really go over it with my sponge. I mean, if I can't, then that's fine. You know, it's no big deal. I'm like, maybe that's what's happening. So unfortunately it has gotten dark because I was being extra by adding these freaking rhinestones on my eyes. Depending upon when this video goes up, this look might look familiar. But anyways, the bronzer looks nice. I like it a lot. I actually really like it. This is a bop for me. I will say, if you are somebody like me who does go over your bronzer with your sponge, don't do it with this one, because it really did actually pick up the product off of my face and I wasn't expecting that. So it does. Yeah, the sponge, I guess maybe the powder is like really light, I don't know, but it probably is pressed kind of lightly, because when you put your brush in the pan you do get fallout. So maybe it's so lightly pressed that, like, you know, putting it on the skin and then going over it with a sponge does pick up too much. So if you are someone like me who does that, you might not want to do that with this bronzer. You might want to only blend it out with just a brush. But other than that, I like it a lot. 10 shades to choose from. It is $19 and currently $14 because it is on sale. I'll leave a link below in the description box. And as you know, Morphe always has more coupon codes. You can throw a nickel in the street and hit somebody with a coupon code, except for me, your girl is not there yet. But yeah, like, I'll leave a coupon code down below, that probably the one I used when I bought this. I can't remember which one it was. I think I just grabbed a random one. But yeah, other than that, I like it. I'm trying to figure out how to film a video on like the updated shade of the Makeup Revolution one that I bought, because it's kind of hard to just like sit down and only film like basically what will be like a 3-minute video. It feels like it'll be like a 3-minute video. So, but I'm gonna film it. I did have someone ask me a little while back for an update on the shade that I bought, because I had got medium dark, I think, and that was too dark. And then I tried to get dark and I couldn't get it because it was sold out, and it's still sold out. So I ended up getting medium. So that's what I have right now, and I haven't used it since I bought it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna save that for a video. Yep, but that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Down in the description box will be links to the bronzer, as well as links to all my social medias. Remember, your girl is uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at 7 p. EST and Saturdays at 3:30 p. EST. Hit the bell so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.